There's the mayor of Granville. He's fine, Mother. There's Berlini. Miss. Christian hides out in that driveway. Yeah, Missy's got him. There's Berlini. Hey, Berlin! Berlin, get off, honey.
Easy.
He's losing his pants.
Why don't the seaman?
He's losing his pants. Here comes Aunt Miss and Christian. Trucking up the hill. Victoria got it!
Hey! No, pull on the clothes. Where's your hair thing? Stop. Your hair thing's gonna fall out.
Picking a wedge.
Come here.
Making a plan.
What?
They need to make a plan to get Victoria. There goes Christian. Go get him, Aunt Miss. Go get him.
That's a long ride down on that thing.
That's his legs up behind you.
I know. Get it, Berlini!
Gabriel breaks free. Oh, he's in trouble. Hey, stay on the grass. Gabe, up here on the grass.
Pan over. There's Christian, the rogue of the group. Just hiking it in the neighbor's driveway. Turning around. He's having a standoff with Aunt Miss. There's Aunt Miss. Come on. Just call him like a dog. Come on. If I call him like a dog, maybe he'll run to me like a dog.
Hey, Mel!
What?
I smell like dog food!
Why?
Because I don't want people are going to think I have dog shampoo.
Yep. No, dog food. But it would be like Victoria to find the pile of dog poo. Oh, there's Gabriel. There's Victoria.
On the grass.
On the grass, guys, so you don't wipe out. Come on. On the grass. On the grass, Gabe. If you fall.
There's the enforcer. He's got two girls all over him.
Take your picture.
What?
So when you're on the scooter, I'll take your picture.
No, thank you.
Christian loves that thing.
Uh-huh. He's got a set of wheels. Everybody loves a set of wheels. There's Aunt Miss.